Hey my polish peeps, this is Jackie coming to you with another segment of Make Polish with me. Made a really fun polish with the Glitter Unique newest box called Life of a Polish Maker. Featured that a couple weeks ago. You can go and check that out on my Instagram page. But this one is kind of fun. I thought I would recreate it so you guys can see it. It's called Mirrorball. And it's kind of a silvery platinum kind of finish, and it's really pretty. I really like that. It's great for the holiday season, New Year's Eve, all that fun stuff. I do have a swatch of it here. There it is. Isn't that pretty? That's one swatch. So we'll let that dry a little bit, and then I'll put a second coat on that. Get into what things you will need. You will need bottles, which I do get from Glitter Unique. I do like their bottles. I like their matte tops, kind of nice, and I like they're flat, so you can put one of those little bob things on the top. You can buy these. This is a 15 milliliter one. You will need to buy the little ball separate. Okay. They also have an 8 milliliter one you can get if you want to make a little smaller one. You will need a cup to put your ingredients in. This one is from Amazon. I kind of like the one with the spout because then you can pour it into the bottle a little easier. It does have measuring on the side. Some stir sticks. Gloves. Don't want to get yourself all messed up. Also, some glitter suspension base, which I love their their suspension base. It's awesome. What I use for every polish I make because it really does flow nice and the stuff just really flows into it beautifully. I'm trying to think what else you need. Nice working space, some lights. Measuring spoons. I usually use my own. This one does have a recipe in the box, so if you want to go over and get that box, you will get the recipe, so you can make it again if you would prefer. Once again, this one's going to be called a Mirrorball. Okay? All right, let's get started. I'll put my cup here. This one is really an easy recipe. Just show you what we're going to put it in there. We're going to put this one, which is Ultra Luxe Chameleon number 8. It's beautiful, you guys. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. A little bit purpley shimmer to that, which is really pretty. And then you're going to use the Micro Flakes, platinum, silver. So those are the only two ingredients that you need for this gorgeous polish. So it's a pretty easy recipe to do. I am just going to put in enough to probably make 1 or 2 of these. Yeah, I'll just fill it all up. Make a couple. Usually, if I do 50 milliliter, it usually gives me about 3.5 bottles of polish. There you go. Life of a polish maker, making a mess. Okay, so I do have 15 mil or 30. I got 50 milliliters of base here, and let's see. Then the it says 2 scoops of your platinum silver flakes, 3 scoops of the Ultra Luxe Chameleon pigment. This is the Chameleon pigment. Usually you do get scoops in the kit, which is these little small ones, but I'm just going to use my own, which are these fun measuring spoons here. The stuff is pretty pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, so pretty, you guys. I do love that. It's gorgeous. Let's see. Come on. Put a pinch. See how that works? I usually do kind of an oversized pinch. That's just me. There we go. And that was Ultra Pigment. You can stir that up and see what that looks like. Oops. I got it all over there, didn't I? There we go. Okay, slow that down. Stuff is pretty pigmented, so you don't need a whole lot of that. Then next we're going to add the Platinum Snow Silver Micro Flakes. And I'm going to add a pinch. And 2 pinches of that. So I like it glittery. And then stir it up. Get that silvery look in there. Isn't that pretty? Add a little bit more of that. Of the silver. There we go. We're good on that. And stir, stir, stir. Lots of stirring going on. And then we can swatch that and see what it looks like. I always like to swatch a little bit just to see if it came out the way I wanted it. And it looks like it did. There you go. Pretty. Here's the first. All right, pretty. Turned out nice. Very glittery. I love that. I do love a silver. I think that's good. I don't think we need to add anything else to that. We are good to go. Now on the recipe did ask for platinum silver micro flakes 10 to 7. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I'm thinking that's how big and small they are. Yeah. I didn't have those, so I did a little bit bigger flakes. So you can kind of see a little bit of a difference if you notice that. This one's a little bit maybe shimmery. Shimmery? Is there a word? More shimmer. And this one's a little bit flatter. So you do get a little bit of difference if you use a little bit of a different flake. But it's pretty similar. Isn't that pretty? I think it's gorgeous, y'all. Fun to see. This is what I like. You get to play and have some fun. I'm going to add a little bit of thinner before I put this in the bottle. Just to make sure it's nice and fluid. There you go. And we are going to pour it in the bottle. Oops. There we go. Very pretty color. It's kind of cool. It's going to be awesome for New Year's Eve. Silvery platinum look. I love that. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Gorgeous, y'all. Fun, fun, fun. Tell me if you guys have picked up any of their kits. I would love to know what you guys have been making with that. I'd like to see how everybody's having some fun creating their own polish. So give me a comment below if you have tried any of their kits and what you've made with it. Kind of fun to go and check them out. There we go. Once again, this was from the Life of a Polish Maker kit. This is called Mirrorball. Like I said, I did use a little bit bigger flake, so I didn't have the one that she had put into the kit, but I did make a little bit bigger, and it's really pretty. Turned out very, very nice, y'all. Once again, here that one is. Just like that. There it is. Let me put a second coat on the original. This is this one here, which was a really ultra fine micro flake of silver, which mine was a little bit bigger. So you can kind of tell just a little bit difference, but not too much. Kind of fun to play around with what you have too. Whoops. And this is the one that we just made right here. And there we go. And there you go. Very pretty. Kind of like that. There's a little shift of a little bit of purple in there, which is very pretty, I think. At certain angles, you can kind of see that right there. Gorgeous. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining me in making polish again. This time we did make Mirrorball, is what they call this one. And you can go check that out on the Glitter Unique website. And thanks for joining me, and we'll come back again and do another one. Bye.